Hello student. So today I am going to discuss how to change the structure of a table. After creating a table, you can change the structure of a table by using some particular command of MySQL. So these are the points that can be used to changing the structure of a table. Number one, add or delete columns. That means if required, you can add new columns to the table or you can delete particular columns from the table. Number two, change the data type of existing table. Data type of existing, this is not table, column. Okay, so you can change the data type of a particular column. After that, rename column or table itself. You can rename a particular column or the table also. Delete the table. Sometimes we require to delete some tables from the database so that we can change it. Add, delete primary key or not null constraint. Okay. You can also add new primary key for a field, or you can delete the primary key, or you can change the constraint, that is not null constraint, for a field of a table. So these are the different type of changes which can be made for a particular table. Okay, so I am going to discuss it one by one. First of all, I am going to discuss how to add a new column into an existing table. Okay. I am going to write down the syntax. Syntax for adding new columns to an existing table. For that, you write the command alter table. Okay. After that, give the name of the table, okay, for which you want to change the column. Okay, so table name. After that, write one more command, that is add. Add is a command that is used in MySQL to add a new column to an existing table. Okay, add. Give the new column name. New column name followed by data type of the new column and the size. Okay, semicolon. So when you write alter table, then give the table name, add new column, data type, size. Here this command will enter a new column to an existing table. Now I am going to take one example of the table name is student, which is already I discussed in the last class. So here I write alter table. What is the table name? That is student. Okay. And I use the command add. Now time to give the name of the new column. Suppose I give the name like remark and data type character and size is suppose 30. Okay. So when you write this statement for that particular table, that is the student, this command will enter a new column to the table structure of the table, that is student. Alter table student at remark varchar 30. That is the data type and the size of the new column. Okay, so you can put this new column in a specific location if required. Okay, so if you want to enter a particular column in a specific position, then you can write after command. After, then give the old column name. Old column name. Okay. So for this example, alter table student at remarks varchar 30 after. So here I write the column name where I want to put this new column. Suppose I want to put this remark after the total marks. So here I write after total marks. Okay. So this command will add the new column remark after the field name total marks of the table student. Okay. That means using the after command you can put the column in a specific location. Or if you want to put a new column at the new column as the first column of the table, then you use the first command. That is how to write it? Alter table name at table name after the size you write the first command. Okay, so when you write this first command, this command will put the new column at the first position of the table structure. That means the new column become the first column of the table. Okay, so by using the alter table command and using the add command, you can enter a new column of the table, or using the after command you can use the column you can use the table in a particular position of the table. Okay, and using the first command you can put the new column at the first position of the table. Okay, now I am going to discuss how to rename one existing column. Okay, by you can using the change command you can modify the column name. That means you can change the old column name with a new column name. Okay, so here what I am going to write down the syntax for changing the column name. Again you write alter table name. Okay, after that you write change command. Change, then you write the old column name. Followed by new column name. New column name, give the data type and the size of the new column. Okay, by using the change command, you can change the one column name of an existing table. So for changing the name of the column, what to do? You have to write the alter command, then you write alter table, then give the table name. After that you write change and give the old column name of the table, followed by the new column name and the data type and the size of the new column. Okay, by using this syntax, you can change the name of an existing column. Okay, now how to rename a table? If required, you can change the name of the table also. So, how to change the table? For changing the table, alter table, table name. After change, you write down the table name. Okay? Alter table, table name, rename, to new table name. Okay, so by using the rename, we can change the table name with a new table name. If I want to change the student table to student detail, then what to do? You have to write alter table, give the old name of the student, that is table, that is student, then write rename, give to and give the new name of the table, suppose student detail. Okay, so it will change the old name of the student table to student details. Okay, so this is the procedure to change the name of a table. Okay, so that's all for today. I am going to discuss more command for changing the structure of a table in the next class. Thank you.